Now we always say that the plants do not depend on others for their food and prepare their food on their own. So the question is, how do plants prepare their own food, or how do plants synthesize their food? So can you tell me how? By the process of photosynthesis. Okay. So in plants, the synthesis of food occurs during the process of photosynthesis. They take in CO2 and water and convert it into carbohydrates. Okay. So now please write the question: how do plants synthesize their food? Okay. Now, what are the key sources in the surrounding from where the plant can use for the synthesis of the food? What are the key sources? One is the sunlight. Okay, so this is your plant. Okay, so the plant is growing over here, and it will have to prepare its own food with the help of the sources present in the environment. So to mention each of them, one is sunlight, number two is CO2. What is the third thing? When you have, now we are running out of time, we just have 10 minutes. If we log out in 10 minutes, don't worry, I will send you another meeting ID. Okay, what is the third one? What does mama tell you when you have a plant in the house? To water the plant, right? So water, let me make it like this. So there is the water, this is your connection to the water line. Okay, so water or H2O, then what is present in the plant? In the plant cells, chloroplasts give you chlorophyll. What else? What else? Of course, the soil. You require the soil, isn't it? हवा में होगा क्या प्लांट आपका? धरती पे होगा ना? Okay, so all these things are required for your process of photosynthesis. Now, how does the process take place? The first of all, the absorption of the light energy by the chlorophyll present in the leaves. The green leaves have chlorophyll. So it will absorb the light energy, and this is converted into the chemical energy, and it is done by the splitting of water molecules into hydrogen and oxygen. Now the reduction of carbon dioxide also takes place. The carbon dioxide is also absorbed here, and the reduction is done, and it is reduced to what? What is it reduced to? Carbohydrates. Okay. Now that is the step by step of the process of photosynthesis. Now let me write that it is by the whole process is termed as photosynthesis. This you have been learning from so many classes, isn't it? Since 106, I guess. isn't it? Yeah, so you must be knowing about this. So please write down the answer for this question. How do plants synthesize their food? Plants synthesize their food during the process of photosynthesis. Plants synthesize their food during the process of photosynthesis. They take in CO2 and H2O. They take in CO2 and H2O and convert it into carbohydrates, comma, and convert it into carbohydrates, comma. What else? What does it convert it into? What are the products you get? Carbohydrates, glucose, and what else? What do plants give us? Oxygen. Okay, so the process of photosynthesis is very essential, important, and helpful. It gives us oxygen as well. In the presence of, continue the answer, H2O, and convert it into carbohydrates, glucose, and oxygen in the presence of chlorophyll and sunlight. In the presence of chlorophyll and sunlight. The carbohydrates are used for the carbohydrates are used for providing energy the carbohydrates are used for providing energy, full stop. The carbohydrates unutilized carbohydrates are stored, stored, stored in the form of starch. The unutilized carbohydrates are stored in the form of starch. जो carbohydrate use नहीं हो रहा है वो starch के form में save किया जाता है, store किया जाता है. Okay. Now write the next question. Explain the process of photosynthesis. Explain the process of photosynthesis. Answer में लिखिए process of photosynthesis and write this equation. The following events occur during the process of photosynthesis. The following events occur during the process of photosynthesis. Number one, absorption of light energy. Absorption of light energy by what? We have just discussed. Absorption of light energy by chlorophyll. Second point, conversion of light energy to chemical energy, and light energy to chemical energy and splitting of water molecules into hydrogen and oxygen. The third point is reduction of carbon dioxide to carbohydrates. And the third point is reduction of carbon dioxide to carbohydrates. That's the complete answer.